Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.4, Problem 4. This is Section 2.4, Problem 4. It says multiply the fractions 5 times 2/3. Now, the issue with this is I want to multiply top times top, bottom times bottom, and 5 does not have a top and a bottom. It's just a number. So what we have to do in a case like this is rewrite the whole number as a fraction with a numerator and a denominator. So I've written the problem, instead of 5 times 2/3, is 5/1 times 2/3. Now I can multiply top times top, which would be 5 times 2, and then bottom times bottom, or denominator times denominator, 1 times 3, which is 3. So I have 5/3. Now you want to check to see if you can reduce that. Are there any numbers that divide into both 5 and 3 evenly? The answer is no, there's not. So you could turn it into a mixed number. Notice the numerator is larger than the denominator. But unless the instructions tell you specifically, you usually don't have to. 5/3 is good. Or you can make it 1 and 2/3. So I was able to get that without really doing it out. I know 3/3 is 1, and then you have 2 more thirds left. But the proper way to do it is 3 divides into 5 how many times? It goes in once. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, so your remainder is the new numerator, and the denominator is the same. So either way, you get 1 and 2/3 or 5/3.